They got Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. What's up, y'all? This is Duana, aka Glamazon 1026, and we are bringing in the winter solstice today with this dramatic glam drag winter snow queen slash Jack Frost look, Jacqueline Frost. I think it's really cute. And just like sit down and, you know, grab a snack and watch me do my makeup. This something that is very out of the box for me. I hope you like it. Stay tuned to see how I got it done. Here, and I'm primed, and we are going to start this look off right, okay? So, not exactly sure what I'm doing. I just know that I want it to be cute. You know, Jack Frost goes glam because I am the glam queen. So, you know, let's see if we can get this party started. So I'm gonna pick up the Sephora Pro palette, and this is the Smoky Jewels. And I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, Obsidian. And I'm just gonna go in on this Makeup Geek bent liner brush to begin the beginnings of our cut crease. So we're gonna use this Makeup Geek pointed crease brush to blend that black out with this deep blue shade in the Shop Jacqueline Cosmetics Tropicana palette. And we're really just trying to blend upwards. I'm going to take the Makeup Geek pointed crease brush to blend this out up towards the brow bone, just so that we have a nice little blendy blend. We're gonna cut the crease. We don't really have that much to cut, but we gonna try. We gonna cut this crease. So I'm going to use this silvery white shade from the Sephora Pro Pigments editorial palette. Then we're gonna go into the Smoky Jewels palette and pick up this one here called Aquamarine. All right, then we're going to pick up Sapphire, which is also in the Smoky Jewels collection. So we're going to use the tip of this brush to bring this dark blue in right under here, just to make it look like a liner that we made out of this eyeshadow. So now we're gonna go in with the Mented Cosmetics Pastel Cake Liner Palette. And the great thing about these liners is that they are activated with water. So you just need a little bit of water on your brush. Make sure you have a clean brush. And then you go into the palette and just kind of fill up your brush. And they're so pigmented. I love them. All right, so let's go into this white right here. And just kind of fill it up like that. Fill up your brush. Make sure everything's on the tip. This is the Makeup Geek Bent Liner brush. It comes with its own brush, but I like this one because it has a point. So I'm just going to use that point to, again, carve out the cut crease. And I'm going to try to keep it on the point so that it's not making the line too thick.
So I was feeling myself a little bit too much and I started freestyling right here, and I was trying to get it to look like a candy cane, but it came out looking like the Cheshire Cat, so we had to fix that. But since, you know, what you do to one side you got to do to the other side, for symmetry's sake we had to make the same mistake twice, so I ended up doing this same design on the second eye, and then we'll figure out what we do after that.
All right, now I'm going to try to draw a snowflake with the blue. There we go. Jack Frost is here. Snow Queen is here. Maybe, I don't know.
Then I outlined it in white in order to just make it stand out a little bit more and give it a shadow. And I think that really made the snowflake come together.
Finished doing the snowflakes. There are two on this side and one on this side, and then I don't know if you guys can see, but I put a little gem in the center so that you know, it could just like accentuate, because we can't be glam Jack Frost without gems, right? All right. And since this look is over the top anyway, why not put gems on it? So we're gonna go in with indigo on the Smoky Jewels palette, which is this darker blue right here. We're gonna go right underneath the lash line with it. And connect it to that outside corner. Okay, so now we're gonna go back into our pastel palette. We're going to bring the floating cut crease down into, make like a box eye kind of. And then I'm going to use this white on my lower lashes. I put on some lashes. These are the Cami lashes by Fenty Beauty. Now we're gonna take care of our lips. I'm going to be using the MAC Plum Lip Pencil. And on top of that, I'm going to put the Charlotte Tilbury Pose Jewel lip gloss. Last but not least, we cannot forget highlighter. So I'm going to be putting on this white highlighter because, you know, we are Jack Frost, going glam, going drag, whatever you want to call it. And so I'm just going to tap that onto my skin. Now I'm just gonna spray everything down with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. Let it dry. All right, y'all, this is the finished look. I think it came out pretty cute, even though I struggled a little bit. I am not good at graphic liner, so this was definitely a challenge for me. I know this wasn't a tutorial necessarily, but I really thank you guys for sticking with me and watching this. I am very happy that I stepped out of my comfort zone and didn't do something that was glam, like completely glam. Like, it's glam, but we have a little bit of an edge to it because we have the graphic liner. So I'm really excited about that. I think it came out pretty good. Like, if you don't think so, just keep your disparaging comments to yourself, okay? Don't thumbs down this video. I think that this is a really good way to bring in the winter solstice. Yes, I do. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you can be a part of the Glam fam and know exactly when I upload. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at glamzon1026, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.